Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, election day, presidential election day in the U.S. November the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 Stars Sudoku. 4 Stars Sudoku number 9537. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yeah, the 4 Stars Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 1 2. We have here 3 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 3 6s. How about the 7s? 3 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. It's divided. It's divided. Well. Let me see. We have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have 4 7s, alright. So the 7 could be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left of the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Okay. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 8 8. Okay, 4 4. Let me see. Need an 8 there. 8 8 8. Need a 9 there, 9. Yeah. 6 7. Come on. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Yeah. How about 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left of 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And we have a pair in this big square. 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this row, so no 3 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 and a 4 in the middle row, so no 3 and a 4 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square. The 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. 9 3 1 2 and a 5. Okay. 1 1 2 2 2 2. Think. Come on. 8 8. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. 2, need a 1. 1, 2, 9, and I need a 5. How about, need a 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, and 4. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And look, we have 2 and a 5 in this box. No 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 4. Alright. 4, 4. 4. No, 4. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column 3. The only place level 4 should be there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. Here can be 4, we have 4 in the last row, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the first row, no 4 there. The only place level 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 4 should be there. Alright, then. 1, 5, 8. Come on. 1, 2, 5. And a 6. 1, 2, 5 and a 6. No 1 here. 1, 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes and there. 8, 8. 2 and 3. Come on. Need a 9 here. Yep, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left on the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 2. 2, 8, and 3. 2, 8 and a 3. 2, 8 and a 3. Come on. 9, 9. 9, 9. 7, 4, 1. 1. Nope. In this column, we need a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1 because we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Yeah. 9, 9, 9. Yeah, 9, 9. Okay, come on. Need a 1 here. 6. Should be here. Thinking. Come on. 2 and 3. Yeah. 9. 9. 2 and 3. But the 8. 8. Well. 3, 1. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 there. 8. Need an 8 here. I'm thinking. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 3. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left of the 3 in this big square should be here. 3, 3. Come on. Need a 2 here. No 2 here. Okay. 9, 7, 6. 6 could be here. Well, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9. 2, 2, 8, 9. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 8, 5, 2, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. I'm thinking 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Thinking. Need a 1, 1, 1. 1. Yeah. Need a 1 here, need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 9, 4. Yeah, thinking 4. 4, 4. The 8, 8, 8. Need a 3. 3, 3. And I need a 2. No 2 here. 2, 2. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have a pair, I believe. 3 and 8 in this row, last row. 3 and 8 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left of 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3 now only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last column for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. So here should be also the 2 and the 5 as a pair. Alright. We need an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in that row, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left, an 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column only place level 8 should be here. I need a 6 here. Yeah, I need a 6 in this big square. Well, here can be a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be here. 6. Oh wait. I need a 6 there then. Okay. 2, 5, and need a 1 here. I need a 1 in the middle row. Well, here can be 1. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there in the middle row. Here or there, we see another 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 2 and 5 are left. Okay. And I need a 9 here. Yeah. Well. 2 and 5, okay. Yeah. 1, need a 1 there, need a 1 here. Okay. What the 8? 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this second row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this big square, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 67, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 6 and 3. 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. One box left in this big square. Phone number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Mark those to box elevator 6. We have a 6 in this row. Third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. So the 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. Then 6, 6. And I need a 5 here. And I need a 4 here. Okay. 2 and a 5. How about the number 999? 9, need a 9 there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left, 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 or 5, we have a 5 now. Oh, sorry, we have a 2 now, so this can be 2 anymore. This box will be a 5. 2 numbers left now. In this big square, for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Well, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the column. Only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 or 5, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1, we have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes. But I'm pleased with the time. Is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? Yeah. Not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. So we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it and solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.